In this video, we listed the 5 best mini PCs that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. P for Light Gaming Mini PC. The Bossgame P for Mini PC features an AMD Ryzen 7 5700U processor with a speed of up to 4.3 GHz, paired with integrated AMD Radeon graphics, making it suitable for everyday tasks, education, and gaming. With 32 GB of DDR4 RAM, expandable to 64 GB, and a 1TB PCIe 3.0 SSD, this compact system provides ample storage and optimized performance for applications like Photoshop and gaming titles such as PUBG and League of Legends. The P4 supports triple 4K displays at 60 Hz via dual HDMI and Type-C ports, enhancing productivity for design work and media streaming. Networking capabilities are robust, featuring dual 2.5 GB LAN ports and Wi-Fi 6E for high-speed connectivity. Pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro, it also supports various operating systems, including Linux, and comes with reliable after-sales service backed by industry certifications. This mini PC is designed for users who need a powerful yet portable computing solution. Number 2. KAMRUI GK3 Plus Mini PC. The KAMRUI Mini PC, powered by the latest 12th generation Intel Alder Lake N95 CPU, offers impressive performance with a speed of up to 3.4 GHz and a 6 MB cache, making it suitable for a variety of tasks including multimedia consumption, online learning, and photo editing. With 16 GB of DDR4 RAM and a built-in 512 GB SSD, this compact computer is designed for efficiency and responsiveness, enabling seamless multitasking and quick access to large files. Its small footprint, 5.1 by 5.1 by 1.96 inches, allows it to fit easily in tight spaces or be mounted behind a monitor, transforming any setup into a versatile workstation or entertainment hub. The integrated Intel UHD graphics supports 4K resolution across 3 displays, enhancing the visual experience for both work and leisure. Additionally, the Mini PC features multiple connectivity options, including Gigabit Ethernet, dual-band Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth 4.2, ensuring compatibility with various peripherals and devices while maintaining a cool operation during intensive tasks. Number 3. Beelink Mini S12 Pro. The Beelink Mini S12 Pro is a compact and powerful mini computer designed for a variety of applications, including home, business, gaming, education, and multimedia tasks. It features the latest 12th Intel Alder Lake N100 processor, capable of speeds up to 3.4 GHz with a 6 MB L3 cache, offering over 20% performance improvement over its predecessors while maintaining low power consumption at just 6 W. With 16 GB of DDR4 RAM and a 500 GB SATA 3 SSD, it supports storage expansion up to 2 TB, ensuring smooth operation and efficient multitasking. The device supports dual 4K displays via HDMI, enhancing productivity, and its compact design, 4.9 by 4.4 by 1.6 inches, allows for easy placement, even behind monitors. Equipped with USB 3.2 Gen 2 for faster data transfer, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.2 for stable connectivity, the Beelink Mini S12 Pro also includes multiple interfaces to meet various connectivity needs, making it an excellent choice for both personal and professional use. Number 4. GMKtec Mini PC. The GMKtec M2 Pro mini computer is a powerful and versatile device designed for a variety of applications, including video and photo editing, casual gaming, business, education, and more. It features an 11th generation Intel Core i7-1195 G7 processor, capable of reaching speeds up to 5 GHz, and is equipped with 32 GB of DDR4 RAM and a 1TB NVMe SSD, with options for expansion. The integrated Intel Iris Xe graphics support 4K UHD output across 3 displays, making it suitable for demanding visual tasks. Connectivity is enhanced with dual-band Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, and a 2.5 gigabits per second LAN port, ensuring fast and stable internet access. With a compact design that consumes only 35 W of power, the GMKtec M2 Pro is an efficient solution for home, office, and educational environments. Additionally, it comes with a 1-year limited warranty and lifetime customer support, underscoring the brand's commitment to user satisfaction. Number 5. Beelink SER5 Pro Mini PC. The Beelink SER5 5850U Pro Mini PC is a compact yet powerful computing solution designed for various uses, including personal, business, office, education, and design. Measuring just 4.96 by 4.44 by 1.65 inches, this palm-sized device houses an AMD Ryzen 7 5850U processor with a speed of up to 4.4 GHz, delivering stable and reliable performance for productivity and light gaming. It features 32 GB of DDR4 RAM, expandable to 64 GB, and a 500 GB M.2 NVMe SSD, with options for storage expansion up to 2 TB. The integrated AMD Radeon graphics support 4K video playback and allow for triple display connectivity via HDMI, DisplayPort, and Type-C, enhancing productivity for complex design tasks. The Mini PC also boasts efficient heat dissipation, Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity, and a robust RJ45 LAN port for reliable internet access. Additionally, it offers features like auto power-on capabilities and lifetime technical support, making it a versatile and dependable choice for users seeking a compact computing solution.